Hello. In this video, we're going to go ahead and solve the equation using the quadratic formula. And the equation is 3x squared plus 2x equals -3. The first thing we want to do is we want to put this in the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That means I need to go ahead and move this -3 to the left-hand side, and that will give me 3x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. Just a reminder, the quadratic formula is -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and find the discriminant, the b squared minus 4ac. So to do that, we need to know what is a, b, and c for this particular equation. A is 3, B is 2, and C is 3. Then we find the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. So B is 2, so 2 squared, minus 4 times A, which is 3, times C, which is 3. Well, 2 squared is 4. -4 times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. So that's minus 36. 4 minus 36 is -32. Awesome. Now that we know this, we can plug this into the quadratic formula, and we can plug b and a in as well. So this is going to give us x is equal to -b, means the opposite of b, and b in this case is 2, so the opposite of 2 is -2, plus or minus the square root of -32 all over 2 times 3, which is 6. We have a negative underneath the radical, which means it needs to come outside of the radical, which gives me -2 plus or minus I root 32 all over 6. And 32, you should think of 32 as 16 times 2. If you're not sure how I get this, go ahead and do a prime factorization tree of 32. Circle the pairs of primes and multiply the stuff that's circled together, multiply everything that's not circled together. You're going to get 16 times 2 all over 6. And then take the square root of take the square root of each one of these individually. So we have the square root of 16, which is 4, and the square root of 2 will be just the square root of 2. So this is -2 plus or minus 4I root 2 all over 6. And again, because this is a complex number, we need to make sure that it's in this form of a plus bi, which means it must be broken up into 2 separate fractions of -2 over 6 plus or minus 4I root 2 all over 6. And then simplify. 2 divided by 6 is 1/3. 4 divided by 6 is 2/3. So this is going to give me -1/3 plus or minus 2I root 2 all over 3. There we go. And this is the solution to this particular equation. Well, I believe that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Have fun.